Hello students, this is your teacher Miss Gayatri and I am today with the exercise from the lesson Jainism and Buddhism. The first question is, mention a source which gives information about Jainism. The source that gives information about Jainism is Angas. You may put it into sentence, but the key answer is Angas to this question. The next question is, what are the Tripitakas? Name the three Tripitakas. The Tripitakas are the Buddhist literary sources. They are the Buddhist literary sources and three of them are the Vinaya Pitaka, the Sutta Pitaka and the Abhidhamma Pitaka. The third question is, state two important causes for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. The two important causes were the corruption in the religion and rigid caste system. Question 4. Who was Vardhamana Mahavira? Give the significance of both parts of his name. Vardhamana Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara of the Jainism. He was considered as the founder of Jainism, and his name Vardhamana and Mahavira both have different meanings. At the time of his birth, his father's kingdom was quite prosperous, so he was called Vardhamana, that means prosperity. And as he had saved his colleagues' lives from danger, and he was named as Mahavira, or the great warrior. Question 5. Name the 5 vows prescribed for the Jains. This is not in the scope of syllabus, yet we learn this. It's good to know about them, may not be questioned to you in the examination. The 5 vows are the non-violence, non-stealing, not telling lie, not possessing property and practicing chastity. Non-violence, non-stealing, not telling lie, not possessing property, and the 5th one is practicing chastity. Question 6. What are known as the 3 Ratnas? The 3 Ratnas are the 3 jewels of Jainism. They are right knowledge, right faith, and right conduct. I had codified you during the lesson as to be learnt as K, F, and C. The question 7 is, give 2 causes for the spread of Jainism. The 2 causes for the spread of Jainism is local dialect or language of the people was used, and the next is royal patronage. Some of the rulers patronized Jainism, hence it became popular. Question 8. Name the 2 sects into which Jainism got divided. They are Svetambara and the Digambara. This is also not there in the syllabus, but I have given you for your knowledge to understand. This whole lesson of Jainism and Buddhism is not a part of your scope of syllabus. Only a limited portion is there for you to learn and prepare for exam. But it's always good that you learn the full story and understand for your pleasure. Question 9. Name the 2 sects into which Question 9. Mention 2 points of contribution of Jainism to Indian life and thought. Jains had contributed greatly in the field of non-violence and equality or universal brotherhood. 10. Who was Gautam Buddha? Where was he born? Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. He was born at Lumbini near Kapilavastu. Then 11th question, what are known as 4 great sights? One day Gautam Buddha, as he was riding the chariot and going across the streets of his kingdom, he saw an old man bent with age, a sick man in great pain, a dead body being carried and kin and kith crying for him, and an ascetic in search of salvation. These 4 sights moved the heart of Gautam Buddha. Hence he left home and son and family and went in search of truth. 12. When and how did Gautam attain enlightenment? When? At the age of 35. And how? By practicing penance, severe penance under the Bodh Gaya tree. 13. Give 4 noble truths of Buddhism. The 4 noble truths are: the world is full of suffering. Suffering has a cause. Desire is the cause of suffering. And if desire is stopped, suffering can also be stopped. These were the 4 noble truths according to the Buddhism. Question 14. Give 4 points. Give 4 points of the Eightfold Path of Buddha that we had learned by codifying them into the Mars belt. I am giving you the 4 words that make Mars: the right meditation, right action, right recollection, and right speech. MARS. The other belt, if another 4 required, you will have to write. And then comes question number 15. Differentiate between Jainism and Buddhism on the basis of their attitude towards the God. Jains denied the existence of God, while Buddhists remain silent about the existence of God. Question 16. What is known as the Sangha? The Sanghas were the Buddhist organizations for teaching. 17. Name any 2 principles that govern the Sangha. The Sangha required membership. It also required 10 commandments or the principles to be practiced by the members. Then comes the question number 17. Name any 2 principles. We have done that. Question number 18 we come. What were the features of Buddhism that attracted people towards it? The practice of ahimsa and the language of the masses or the language of the people were the 2 things that attracted the common people to practice Buddhism. Question number 19. Give 2 differences between the Hinayana and the Mahayana Buddhism. The Buddhists divided themselves into 2 sects, the Hinayana and the Mahayana. So the Hinayana sect denied the existence of God, while the Mahayana sect believed that Buddha was an incarnation of God. Question 20. Give 2 causes for the decline of Buddhism. Buddhism declined because it split into 2, that is, the Hinayana and Mahayana sects. The Sangha practiced corruption, and corruption in Sangha was another cause of split. There were various other causes too, like the reform made in the Hinduism and the practice of the people, and then giving up war made invasion possible. Such other causes are also there. These were the 20 short questions I have given. You try to answer the structured questions that are there only in the syllabus. The syllabus that I had told to you in the previous class, there are sources like Angas, Tripitakas and Jatakas, the causes for the rise of the 2 religions, and the doctrines. Okay, that is a part for you to answer yourself. After writing them, learn. Always you are free most of the time now due to the coronavirus disease and then you are locked in homes. So use your free time wisely. Plan to write articles for the school magazine. Make something creativity. Each one of you make your charts for class decoration. Once we get into the classes regularly, we will use them. Finally, be obedient, stay happy, keep learning. Bye-bye.